No other place in America is quite like Idaho. It's rich and it's historic, it has charm. Everything feels fresh and new. With over 100,000 miles of rivers, you're going to be surrounded by rustic beauty and flowing landscapes. Whether you favor wild spaces or the urban places, the quality of life you'll enjoy here is second to none. Within 100 miles of Boise, the city of trees, there are pristine places for adventure and relaxation. To the north, well, discover wild places like mountains and lakes and forests. To the south, there's open spaces. But at the heart, you're going to find a community that is growing together and committed to the cause of keeping this space special. The Treasure Valley is the pinnacle of our great state, with communities like Boise and Eagle, Meridian, Middleton, Napa, and Kuna. They all share the same opportunities and places to explore. Now, some of us came seeking the great outdoors, while some wanted just a great place to raise a family. But Idaho will always remain home to everyone who values an exceptional quality of life.